Well, the Flamingo is a very relaxing property, except for check-in. Check-in is total chaos. The Flamingo has had the worst check-in experience of any on the Strip for at least a few years now, and it doesn't appear to be getting any better. After that 90 minutes or so of chaos, we make our way to the room. 550 square feet, Flamingo Premium Suite. It's a pretty spacious room. Right near the entryway, we have a fairly small closet, made even smaller by a dresser. Comes with an ironing board, some very loud doors, and another sliding door that makes way to the bathroom, which is not a bad size, very clean. It's a nice, clean, white, bright white bathroom. A good amount of counter space. I like the shampoo and conditioner dispensers. A very nice bathroom. You enter into the living area.
Oh, this is comfortable.
Have a nice living area with a couch, chair, big screen TV. And right behind that is a small dinette set. And then you have the bedroom area. It has a king-size bed, very comfortable. Nightstands with drawers. And then you have a dresser. You have an ice bucket with paper cups and complimentary coffee with a coffee maker. We had a view of the flamingo habitat and a very nice view of the lake at night. It's a very good sized room, divided up well between bedroom, living, and dining. I like a room with floor-to-ceiling windows that makes it feel much bigger. Now, if you want to check out some other rooms or suites at the Flamingo, I'll leave a link right here to our Flamingo playlist. We have several other rooms, suites, and more. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, because the algorithm is not your friend. Thanks for watching.